All right, got the bolt tool here for the Tikka T1X. Main thing is make sure your bolt's decocked. You can do it in the tool. You can cock it and decock it. Go ahead and close your plunger. It's gonna put pressure on the bolt head. You look right here. Be able to knock our pin straight through the bottom. Come out your hole in the bottom. And if you know about Tikka bolts, ever took one apart, there's a lot of spring tension here. So we're just gonna slowly let this one off. There's not quite enough throw on this to fully release the pressure, but there's not much left. You can just push back a little bit and get it off the plunger. And there's your bolt apart. Reassembly. Just watch for the alignment on your firing pin. Try to make sure y'all get a good view here. Of course, you're gonna have to start it slightly to get it in front of the bolt. So, I mean, a little bit of tension, but this is gonna do most of the work for you. You can look right here and make sure everything's lined up as you're closing the clamp. And there you are. Nothing flying across the shop. Look right here. You can see through your pin. If this is off a little bit as you look through here, once it's clamped, you can adjust this jam nut right here to give you a little bit more push or a little bit less push on the bolt. Well, that's it. Pin back in. Recock your bolt. Thank y'all.